Hi, and welcome to the J Rich channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to scale your Facebook ads to $100,000. As you can see, this is another example of one of my older businesses. Again, for you to learn lessons from that you can apply to your business right now to scale your company to $100,000, 6 figures a year. Um, this will definitely help you. Will definitely be useful. And watch to the end where I'll be giving you all the tips and tricks that you need to scale your Facebook ads to $100,000. Now, I'm going to get straight into the content, no messing around. So, what you have is here's another example of the amount of income I was making from this business. It's an older business, but as I said to you, I'm still running the same process to generate revenue to apply to my businesses that I run now. For example, let me show you. Um, Here's one of the businesses that I'm running right now. As you can see, 1st of May, um, we spent over $400. So, just so you know, I'm still doing this now. But I love showing the older case studies, and I'll show this one as well to show you how I scored both businesses. This business, which was an older business, as you can see by the spend, on the 1st of December, I'm using the same principles that I used then as now to run my companies and my businesses. Now, going back to the presentation, there's 3 main ways you can scale your ad campaigns to 100,000 a year. There's more ways than this, but these are the main ones that you can use now, and these are the easiest ones, and these are the ones that I use again and again. By states, by ages, and by budget. So if we break down states, for example, in the United States, you have a list of, you have over 40 states. So you imagine a profitable campaign now that's running on your Facebook ads as a campaign. You can take that campaign that's profitable, for example, just say this ad is profitable. You can then create and target every state in the United States. That means now you take one campaign to just say, I don't know how many states there are, just say there's 40 states or 50 states. You can take one campaign now to 50 campaigns. So if you were spending, just say $5 on a campaign, you now have times that by 50. So now you're spending $250 a day to a campaign. And obviously, you still make sure every state that you're targeting is profitable. But that's one way of scaling up your business. Another way to scale up your company is by ages. So on Facebook, you can target, different demographics and different ages. So you can break it down once you know your most profitable ages and redo your ad again. So just say the most profitable age is 20 plus. You can redo, an ad that's targeting 30. Just say you're running an ad from 20 to 50. You can redo it targeting 20 only. You can redo it targeting 20 to 25. You can create 10, 20 age variations. And that's another way to scale your campaign. So now instead of having one campaign at $5, you have 20 or 30 or 40 campaigns at $5. And finally, the other way to scale your campaign is via budget. Now this is when you have to know your numbers. So as you can see by this campaign, we spent $130 on the same day. The reason why, that was a super profitable campaign. I should have had analytics up to show you how much I earned from this. But I think it was around $70 or whatever. I'm not too sure. I'll have to check. But basically, this campaign was super profitable. So I increased the budget from $5 to $200. And that's one of the ways you can scale a business. So basically, you take a profitable campaign and you change the budget and you increase it. You don't have to go so high and you don't have to go so low. It depends on what works for your company. Once you know your metrics, you can increase it to $30 a day. You can increase it to 1,000. It really is based on what you are running. But again, hopefully this video will help you because these are again the tactics you can use right now to scale your Facebook campaigns to 100,000 a day. I hope you got help. I hope this video was useful. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll be releasing the more subscribers, the more likes. I'll be releasing more videos like this to help you grow your company and your business to the next level.